Hey everyone, Aaron from Ariens Co here, showing you how to replace the transaxle drive belt, which is also known as the hydro belt, on your Ariens ZENITH. The reason this belt is so important to you is because this is the belt that drives the wheels on a zero-turn mower. And if it's worn and breaks, it could leave you stranded in the middle of your yard. Now, as always, before we start, let's first review the safety instructions in your operator's manual. Remove the left belt cover from the deck. Pull the PTO idler spring away from the anchor bolt with a spring puller. Remove the belt from the clutch pulley at the rear of the unit. Wrap a generous length of strong but thin rope around the hydro idler spring hook under the right side of the unit and pull the spring away from the anchor bolt. Pry the clasp securing the wire harness to the wire harness port on the clutch upward and disconnect the wire harness from the clutch. Remove the two tapping screws retaining the clutch stop bracket to the frame and remove the bracket. Remove the hydro drive belt from the hydro idler, slip the belt past the clutch, and then remove the belt from the left and the right transaxle pulleys. The transaxle pulleys can be accessed from each side of the unit, just under the left and right fenders. Here, you can see my hand removing the belt from the right transaxle pulley from the right side of the unit. After the belt is disengaged from all pulleys, slide it past the top of the hydro idler and remove it from the unit. Install the new belt from either the right or the left side of the unit. Feed the belt over the transaxle pulley, then go to the other side to pull in some of the slack, then back to the first side you were on to align the belt with the pulley. Remember, the belt must be oriented with its narrower edge wrapped around the transaxle pulleys. Continue feeding the belt from one side of the machine and pulling it toward the other side of the machine until it's wrapped around both transaxle pulleys. Here's a closer view. After the belt is wrapped around the transaxles, install it around the engine pulley above the clutch and align it with the hydro drive idler. If the belt is correctly aligned in all pulleys, wrap a generous length of strong but thin rope around the hydro drive idler spring hook and reinstall the hook around the anchor bolt. Ensure the belt has tension and is aligned in all of its pulleys. Reconnect the wire harness to the clutch and ensure the harness is securely fastened. Align the clutch stop bracket with the clutch and secure it to the frame with its original 2 tapping screws. Reinstall the PTO belt around the clutch pulley. Reinstall the PTO idler spring hook onto the anchor bolt and check that the PTO belt has tension and is correctly aligned in all pulleys. Reinstall the belt cover with its original hardware. Now, as you guys saw, this was a pretty easy procedure, and if you'd like to do this one on your own, you can find the replacement belt part number for your unit in the service parts section of your operator's manual. New belts can be sourced from either your local Ariens dealer or from the Ariens online parts store at parts.ariens.com. Now, on the other hand, if you'd rather leave this one to the professionals, you can get help from your nearest Ariens dealer. An Ariens dealer in your neighborhood can be found at ariens.com/dealers. And as always, guys, if you like this video and want to see more helpful content from Ariens, click on the Ariens logo in the lower right corner of the video to subscribe to our YouTube channel.